Hello darlings, for today's video I'm creating a fall glam look. First I'm starting off by filling in my brows. To do this I'm using the City Color Be Bold Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown and the BeautyBakerie Turner brush from the Artisan Master Brush collection. After I filled in the sparse areas and defined the arch a bit, I'm cleaning up the lower edge of the brow so that it's super crisp with the Plouise base in the shade 0.5. Then I'm tapping that base all over my lid in preparation for eyeshadow. I'm using the Morphe James Charles palette today, and I'm first picking up the matte black shade called Spooky and applying this to the inner and outer corners of the eye, concentrating the product beneath the crease. Next, I'm dipping the BeautyBakerie Whisk brush into the matte burnt orange shade called 10% Off, and I'm applying this to the inner and outer corners as well in order to blend that black out. Since this brush is so large and fluffy, the process is super quick and easy. Now I'm using the Morphe M562 brush to apply the matte light peach shade called Tune. Once again, I'm keeping this to the inner and outer corners of the eye, keeping the center of the lid blank. I'm just working on my blend by swirling my brush around in small circular motions right against the top edge of the previous shade. Next, we're adding a hint of yellow with the shade B using the same Morphe M562 brush, and this is being placed at the highest part of the eye, basically touching the brow. Continuing that seamless gradient effect, I'm picking up both the matte neon orange shade called 518 and the matte sunset orange shade called Code James and sweeping this in between the 10% Off and yellow shades we just applied. This is going to really add some extra warmth and dimension into the look. In addition, I'm adding a little more of the black closer to the lash line as we did before. For the center of the eyelid, I'm applying the shimmer pearl shade called Ring Light using the spatula brush. Next, I'm adding some glitter on top of that by first applying the NYX Glitter Primer and then tapping on the BeautyBakerie Sprinkles and Spices Body Glitter in the shade Oshun Spice Medley. Moving on to the face makeup, I'm adding some glow to the skin with the Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm, and then I'm priming with the Icy Sherbet Primer. I'm pouncing on the City Color Be Nude Foundation in the shade Nude 101 using the original Beauty Blender that I've dampened. I'm then applying the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in shade 1 underneath my eyes to conceal my dark circles, and then also to my nose, forehead, and chin for added highlight. Once that's blended in, I'm setting those areas with the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder using a lightly damp mini Real Technique sponge. For contour and highlight, I'm using the BeautyBakerie Lemon Bar. I'm applying the darkest contour shade first, and then I'm applying the lighter contour shade, all using the Firma 103 brush. Using a lighter shade after a darker shade makes it super easy to create a seamless blend, just like when doing your eyeshadow. Next, I'm using the highlighter shade from the palette and sweeping this onto the highest points of my face, including my cheekbones, above the arch in my brow, as well as my chin, cupid's bow, and tip and bridge of my nose. For a blush, I'm using the Queen of Tarts Bar and applying the orange toned blush to the apples of my cheeks while brushing upwards into the hairline to elongate the face. To set everything in place, I'm using the NYX Matte Setting Spray, and then I'm adding some of the City Color Be Bold Brow Gel to set the brows in place as well. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm applying shadow to the bottom lash line. First, I'm applying the black closest to the waterline, then I'm applying the orange shades from before, as well as the yellow shades, to create a blend from dark to light, just as we did for the top of the eyes. For the inner corner of the eye, I'm popping on the Touch and Soul Sparkling Foiled Pigment in the shade Sun Aurora with the BeautyBakerie Spoon Brush. For lashes, I'm curling my lashes, then I'm applying the Makeup Revolution Lift and Define 5D Lash Mascara and popping on the Boldface Beauty Epic Collection lashes in the Style Original using the Lash Star Beauty adhesive. To blend the false lashes with my real ones, I'm tightlining with the Touch and Soul Style Black Gel Liner. I'm also adding this to the bottom waterline for a smoky effect and applying mascara to the bottom lashes as well. Finally, for lips, I'm lining my lips with the BeautyBakerie Sugar Sticks Lip Liner in the shade Creme de la Crumb, and then I'm applying the Bite Size Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade For Real Dough. And that completes this fall glam look. Let me know your favorite thing about fall in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!